Hey guys, I woke up just now, so my hair is really messy, so excuse that, and I'm wearing a cool shirt even though it says wear something totally schmexy. This is the best shirt I have because it's cool, it's from Israel, and I'm too lazy to change clothes. I'm in my PJs. See? And yeah, so I'm 14 on your Tuesday. My name is Krug. My channel is Kruggles. Please subscribe. And so I have some footage from vacation I took with my friend for 4 days, and here it is.
Hey, what's up, TheSevenAwesome? This is Rifky here, or XOXBeccaLea, but not anymore because something happened to my YouTube account. So if you're on mine and subscribed or did something or tried to get to me or something, stop zooming into my face, you asshole. Hola, we are setting off fireworks because we're hillbillies and we're so bored and we have nothing else to do. So, yeah. Stop!
Wow, that's colorful, isn't it?
That was so loud! Use concentration. Run! Oh my god! It's up there.
Whoa, that's pretty cool!
He's lighting. What is that?
That's it?
Maybe it's just like.
Is it supposed to fly up the other way or something?
I feel more sick. Run! It's gonna be loud? Are you serious? Whoa! God. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh, that's a lot of them. Let's not do that again. Roman candle.
That's a good one. What is that? What is that? Is that a Roman candle?
Okay, Dad, we have to go back inside now. Let's go back inside.
That's like one candle?
Oh,
I'm not going to though.
Damn, don't do that in here. Don't do it in here.
I'm not stupid. I'm not that stupid.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm pretty